tap this potato with a straw. Anyone from you can. Please come in the stage. Any other want to try? Come in the stage.
परत
Now you can do this. Yes. If we trap the air in the straw by a thumb, then the air pressure inside the straw will give strength to this just like a pencil. And now it can strap in potato. So now let us start another experiment. Now this is another task for you. There's a balloon inside this. There's a one balloon. You want to crush this balloon with the help of the pin. Anyone can try this? With the help of the pin. Please come in the stage. Any other? Please come in on the stage.
don't know.